Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to remove admin access from a Facebook page. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open our Facebook page on our Facebook app. So this is already my Facebook page. Now click on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And you'll notice the gear icon that would be located at the top right corner, second option on your screen. Tap on it. Now from here, you need to go all the way down until you can see audience and visibility. And under that, find page setup. Click on it. Now from here, you need to click on page access. And you see here the person that isn't an admin on your page, but you want to remove that person. You just need to click on the three dots that is located beside of the name of that person and click on remove from page. And it will ask for your password, so you just need to add your password. Let me add my password first. You confirm, and there you go. She's already removed from my page. And that's it. That's how you remove admin access from a Facebook page. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.